It's called an American kestrel. And I've worked with a bunch of males, that's what he is. And I'm always confused as to how they can actually survive out in the wild. Because all the male kestrels I've worked with have all been just so lovely and sweet. But I think what it is the kestrels that I get in captivity are all kestrels from more urban areas, and they're used to seeing people. So.
Is it just a baby?
Full-size adult. Just a small falcon, that's it.
What do they eat?
Mice, other birds and insects. They'll eat snakes. In warmer parts of the climate, they'll eat lizards. Mostly stuff they find in an open field. And so he does a really good job of this if I can get him to focus on something. So, so those of you that were here with the owl, one of the things I said is that their eyes don't move. Well, for the daytime birds of prey, their eyes move only just 2 degrees. And so when they focus on things and they want to stay focused on it, you can move their body around and their head stays still. It's called gyrating. Let's see.
Looks like he's dancing.
Looks like he's dancing, yeah. Way better dancer than I am. I'm definitely the worker in this scenario. Yeah, that's definitely my job. I'm a talking, cleaning perch. That's what I am.
I mean, hey, as long as you're okay with it.
Yeah. But I'm super glad to see that here.
Yeah.
Because that's a lot to wipe up. So I have, we have measured it, when the eagle goes to the bathroom one time, and we measured almost 7 feet. Right? It's something. One, two, three. Up. Oh. Wow. There you go.
Can you do it one more time?
Yes. You ready? 1, 2, and I'll do it here, and then I'll face this direction.
Okay, thanks.
So everyone will get a chance with a head-on shot. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Up. Up. Gotta be fast.
Shutter.
Okay.
Everybody hold your button
Are you
down.
folks
Just hold
ready?
your button down, guys.
I'm gonna count to 3. You wanna count it off with me? 1, 2, 3. Up.
Wow, that was very great.
Bird just looks like it's so big.
So I'm gonna get these 2 right here, and then I'll get you, okay?
Okay.
Yep. All right, come on, gentlemen. Stand right here.
Look at my heart. This kid is so
Stand
cute.
for one at a time. Okay. Do you want to get into it and hold it until someone else can take it? But the funny thing is now my left hand is strong. All right, are you next? Yeah, and then you'll be next.
My parakeet was with my
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. You know what, though? We get pets so we can learn how to take care of things, right? And sometimes we do good, and sometimes we still have more to learn.
You get all of them.
All right.
There you go.
There you go.
Okay. Switch. No here. Okay.
All right, so you guys line right up in front of me.
We want you to do 2.
Oh, sure. Yeah, I'll be on your side.
On this, and she can
Oh,
give you-
yeah, she'll side. That's good. Okay.
All right. There we go.
Come, Junior.
Come on, Jet.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, get
This
everyone.
is bad.
All right, everyone look forward to bird. All right, that's cool.
There we go. Okay, we're going to get these 3 next, and then we'll put this bird away and get the owl out.
How heavy is she?
She's about 4 pounds.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Looks like she's fatter
And
than
by,
that.
by size,
She's the one you would put your finger in and it would go.
yeah. By size, she is the strongest raptor in the United States that's been studied. So what I mean by that is her feet, the squeezing power of her feet is about 300 pounds per square inch, equal to that of the bald eagle.
She has big feet.
Yeah.
She has very big feet.
They're huge.
Yeah. Who eats the owl as an adult?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Once they fly, it has a great term. Ready? We call them an apex predator.
They're
They're at the
of
top.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah. They're one of their biggest competition in areas like this is the bald eagle and the red-tailed hawk, because great horned owls don't make their own nests; they steal them. Yeah. All right. Your turn now. So that's what that's all about.
She was told there was food.
It's time. Like weaning off the binky. You don't need the binky anymore. Other thing that's not a deterrent, but in conflict, is outdoor cats.
No, we don't.
Yeah. So that's, because for the babies,
Our dog is so used to the birds and the owls.
some dogs aren't interested. Other dogs
She
are.
just